Yeah, so this is a quick tutorial on how to change the audio settings in Zoom to best equip for an instrumental lesson or any sort of Zoom class or lecture where you'll have to have loud sounds, either an instrument or something of that sort. So the best thing to do, this is just the Zoom homepage in the app. Go to the upper right hand corner, there's a settings button here. Then we're going to want to go on the left over to audio. And there's just a few quick settings you're going to want to change. So you'll see how the microphone volume is automatically adjusting right now to the sound of my voice. So if I talk louder, it'll automatically adjust down. And if I talk very softly, it'll automatically start to adjust up slowly but surely. We want to get rid of that because it makes instruments hard to hear. So we turn off automatically adjust microphone volume. Go down to advanced next, and there's just a couple settings we need to change there. The first is click this option, which will show an in-meeting option to enable original sound from the microphone. So what this does, if you're hosting a meeting, it'll allow everyone you're hosting to click a button while they're in the chat to enable their real sound rather than a suppressed sound. That's important. Then in audio processing, we want to disable persistent background noises and intermittent background noise suppression. Turning off those suppressions additionally keeps our true audio the way we want it. And once you've done that, you should be ready to go. If you are using an instrument, you'll want to turn your input volume down. It may make talking and having a conversation over Zoom a little bit harder, so you may have to constantly adjust it. But it'll make playing an instrument much easier. All right, I hope that's helpful. Thanks so much.